So today we're going to make fish and chips, and this is a great recipe if you're backcountry camping. It comes from our cookbook, The Flaming Marshmallow's Guide to Campfire Cooking, which you can buy online from Amazon.com. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take some eggs, break them into a bowl. You can do this in your camping pot, that's fine, or on a plate, also fine. Whisk them up a bit. We're going to dip the fish in the egg. Traditionally, you'd make a batter for the fish, but since we're backcountry camping, what's the one thing you always have with you? Salt and vinegar chips. These are probably going to be really good and crushed up from your pack anyway. So we're going to take our crushed up salt and vinegar chips, and we're just going to put them in a bowl. Again, you can use your camping pot here or your plate, and then we're just gonna dip the fish in the egg and then coat it in the chips, and then we're gonna pop it in our pan. So of course, when you make chips, we're just gonna peel our potato. All right, and then I like nice big thick chips, but you cut them the way you like. I like big chips because, and I cannot lie, because they just feel more comforting. So these, we're gonna just pop it straight into the oil on the fire, cook those up, put some salt on them, and then they're gonna be great. Move on to the fire. All right, so we're gonna dip our fish in the egg, and then in our salt and vinegar chips, get a nice little batter going there. And then we're gonna pop it in the pan. All right, let's try this out. That's really good. If you enjoyed this recipe, subscribe to our YouTube channel for tons of free recipes for campfire cooking and bushcraft recipes as well. We've also got a link to our tiny house build if you're interested in that. Check out our blog at greenmoxie.com for tons of extra stuff.